Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna make a quick video going over the day today, May 19th, 2022. 0 for 1 today. Took my loss on INDP here late day as it was making higher lows, reclaiming VWAP and open price. Low float play, low market cap, solid mover so far on the day. Failed to break down, coiling back. Had this overhead resistance and volume resistance from the morning. And the issue with this was no volume behind it. And I was broken up between late day taking INDP and NURO, and I chose the wrong one. This one clearly had more volume. I was totally mistaken judging these. This one was still basing here around the high fours, five-ish area, and volume, even though it did have a drop off from what it was doing into the spike, it was still continually coming in, for sure outdoing all what it was doing here midday. Um, Eyes were on it compared to INDP where they weren't, and I don't know why in the moment I misjudged it. And even though I knew there was less volume going on with INDP, I liked how it has yet to give a squeeze yet. I thought maybe shorts have potentially gotten out, and that this little uptrend here was gonna be give a fake out, and as it had a lot of resistance in the mid fours at 540 here. I had a hard time. You can see the candles, the wicks reaching up higher, but not finishing near the highs a few times here, and you get all this selling here on this dump, but it completely fails to break down, makes a higher low. So this one had more volume and the trend was still intact. So this was a better choice. I just did not choose it. Or better option. Not choice, I didn't choose it. Um so yeah, that's the difference there. Volume is definitely key. And also frustrating missing that and choosing the wrong one was because I missed Pixie in the morning. This was a clear multi-day bounce. Didn't give it enough attention. Didn't see much volume early on. We got this quick burst, and it was holding up, but I just failed to recognize this high or low. The defend of 41 cents, which was the initial high here in the morning, which it broke through, and that is usually the first entry point. And then second possible entry point is the high or low, as it holds that area, that high, showing that it's not going to head lower. It's going to head higher and continue to hold that, and that move should trigger a squeeze higher from shorts covering. So disappointing day. Took a took a look at AGRI. Also see if we would get a previous high day break over 313. Got stuff at the red to green area. Disappointing. Also because I was really nailing the call on um, NURO. I had it mapped out here. It was a great plan. Where are we at? So this was the second call, actually. I was saying, okay, well now that we broke past it did what I wanted. Now let's see if it holds the high fours, mid fours to give it another move higher, which it did. I just failed to capture it and recognize it. Right here, so we got looking interesting. If we can get above VWAP, this could trigger a move to open price, and then from there to test the low fives. So waiting for it to set up. Watch the volume, and just disappointing. I didn't even take my own advice here. Solid play. Got the quick move here, and that kind of scared me out. But should have been patient. And not used to seeing this happen recently. A burst like this usually ends up getting stuffed. So that's why I ended up taking INDP. I wanted the play that didn't make the move yet, because usually plays aren't continuing higher. So I thought since INDP is lower, it's near the basing area. It's yet to really break out. I thought this was a better choice, but false. Volume wasn't there, and you can't wait for it. Try to anticipate it. Follow what's in front of you, and NURO should have been the pick. So that's kind of my spiel for today. Follow the volume. I know I talk about it a lot, but today I failed to do it and pay the price. So, solid lesson on that. Hope everyone had a great day. Took my own advice here. Um, or if I took it, someone could have made some money off of this. I know Jared did. He got it from 508 to 572. He made a video lesson on that if you want to check that out. But besides that, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check us out on Twitter. I got the watch list out there already. Or actually, no, I'm going to post it. I posted the video lesson to the top plays. So I'll get to that right now. Check us out there on Twitter at Pack a Punch Traders. And check us out on tradecaster.com for low cost live stream. This trade was caught live by Jared. We're both analyzing it, going through it minute by minute, what we're thinking. There was a moment here where I was getting bearish on this, thinking, okay, this thing's done. It tried breaking 540 and it gets stuffed, and selling really comes through. But then there was no follow through with that. It kept holding up, gave a little crack on insignificant volume, and that triggered this whole move. All within 2 minutes comes right back to the high fives. So yeah, study this chart. This is how short squeezes are made, and nice to see how quick it could move because of the low float. But yeah, now I'm rambling. Have a great day, everyone. We'll catch you later.